Parents control desire, a potential family crisis. Many parents begin controlling their children's behavior and even their thoughts from an early age. While this might be understandable to some extent, given that parents, as guardians, must take responsibility for their children's actions and potential consequences, the relationship between control and being controlled is, in fact, a societal issue that needs careful consideration. In the process of raising children, parents may exert control with the intention of care and protection. However, the most concerning aspect is the potential development of a strong desire for control in parents. Once this desire takes root, it can persist into the child's adulthood, working life, and marriage, leading to various family conflicts. Parents may continue interfering in their children's lives even after they have grown up, causing tension in the parent-child relationship. This control desire may extend beyond behavior and thoughts to encompass life choices such as education, career, and marriage. This ongoing control can restrict the child's independence and prevent them from freely pursuing their own dreams and goals. Moreover, it can result in communication issues and even the breakdown of the parent-child relationship. The emergence of control desire is highly dangerous. Once parents develop such desires, they can easily fall into a pattern of excessive interference. This ongoing control can create rifts in the parent-child relationship, leaving the child feeling oppressed and deprived of enough autonomy and personal space. This long-term repression may lead the child to develop a resistance to the parents, showing defiance, refusal to communicate, and even shirking family responsibilities. In such situations, parents should continually reflect on their behavior as their children grow, considering whether they are overly interfering in their children's lives. By establishing equal and open dialogues, parents can better understand their children's needs and provide appropriate guidance and support. Such communication not only aids the child's healthy development but also helps maintain family harmony, while providing support and guidance to their children. Parents also need to grant them sufficient autonomy and space, helping them develop their own independence and sense of responsibility. Parents can assist children in building self-confidence by respecting their choices and encouraging them to explore their interests. At the same time, as they guide their children, parents must respect their children's choices and allow them to grow through their own experiences. Children's lives are not extensions of their parents. Parents should give their children ample space and freedom to explore their own interests and dreams. This way, children can gradually develop their own personality and judgment. Children need a supportive environment that provides them with plenty of autonomy and room for exploration. This requires parents to adopt an open-minded and understanding attitude towards their children. In this process, parents should lead by example, demonstrating respect and understanding, and encouraging children to express their own thoughts and opinions. Parents should continually evaluate whether their control desire is excessive and learn how to strike a balance between guidance and respect. A healthy parent-child relationship is built on trust and mutual respect. Parents should provide their children with sufficient support and encouragement while respecting their choices as they grow. Finally, let's reflect. How can we ensure that, while providing support, children grow freely and pursue their dreams? This is a question worth pondering, one that requires parents to continuously explore and adjust through practice. With proper guidance and communication, we can help children grow healthily while maintaining harmony in the parent-child relationship. What are your thoughts on these UES